Here tools, edge bar. For constructing any 3D part, you should go for tools, select the edge bar command. So this is the edge bar. So now I am going to construct screw jack body. For constructing screw jack body, go to revolve protrusion, select any XZ or YZ plane from the origin. So the diameter is 140 mm. For every diameter, so you should take it as half, that is 140, you should take it as 70 at 0 degrees. So then there is a height of 20 mm, 20 at 90 degrees, again 20 at 180 degrees, close the command here. So then from the origin, the total height is 185 mm, 185 at 90 degrees. So then upper diameter is 70 mm, for that you should take it as 35 mm, 35 at 0 degrees, again depth is 40 mm, 40 at minus 90, so 2 mm you should go inside, 2 at 180, lastly join the end points. So now go for offset command, select the distance as 10 mm, make this as single, offset this vertical line and also this slant line. Then go for extend command, extend this one and also extend this part. So now again go to offset command, the distance is 3 mm, make it as single, the bottom line is 3 mm offset. Once again go to offset, so distance is 50 mm, so this is single, this vertical line. So take zoom of the bottom section, trim the unwanted portions. Again take a zoom here, trim this one, fit. Dimension all right. So then mention the axis of revolution. This is the axis of revolution, return. So this is 360 degrees, finish, cancel. Control I. Then you are coming to isometric.
Save. Save.
Make a round here. Round is of 8 mm radius. Take 8 mm radius. Right click, preview, finish, cancel. This is body of screw jack.
Save. Save.
So then they will save the file.
Next. Next.
Yeah, part to do. So again, go to solid part. The next part is nut. Control I, that is isometric. Again go to revolve protrusion, select XZ or YZ plane. I am selecting this one. So here first construct the drawing. So now go on doing the dimensions. So go to smart dimension. This distance is 10 mm. Again this distance is 10 mm. Overall height is 45 mm. So then upper diameter is 90 mm, but we are here in revolve protrusion. So take the radius. So instead of 90, you should take it as 45. So once again, inside diameter is there. The inside diameter is 25. 50. So for that one I am taking it as 25. So then go to offset command. Offset command.
ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ರಿವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ
38.
ರಿವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ
So now go to axis of rotation, select this is the axis, return 360 degrees, finish, cancel. Heading bala. So whole thread. So go to thread option, straight, okay. Sir, whole option over.
whole threaded this
So go to whole option, select the top face. So come to this one. So it is a threaded hole. 38 into 7 you should take.
TR 38 into TR 38 into
Select.
ಮೇಲೆ 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 ಮೇಲೆ
So select for square thread, you should take it as TR 38 into 7. So to the whole extent, through all, okay, place it in the top. Return, downwards direction, finish, cancel. So now go for round command. So the radius is 5 mm. So it is already 5 mm. Select this, this and this. Also inside one. So go to round option.
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿದೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಅದು 0.5 ಆಗಿದೆ 5 ಮಾಡಿರಿ
So this is nut. So this portion is already threaded. So now it is appearing in green color. So meaning of that one is the part has been threaded. So go to save.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
So again go to solid part. So next control I, that is isometric. So again go to revolve protrusion, select XZ or YZ plane. So first construct the drawing.
ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳಿ
Copper. So now go on doing the dimensions here. So overall diameter is 65 mm. So we are in revolved protrusion. So for that one, take the radius. 65 dia, 32.5 is the radius. Bottom diameter is 45. So this is 22.5. Overall height is 42 mm. So now go to offset command. Offset is for 6 mm. Make this as single. Again, one more offset is there. That is of 12 mm. 12 mm. So go to offset 12 mm. Make it as single. So take a zoom here. Trim the unwanted lines. So again there is an inside diameter of 22.5. So again go to offset command. Half of that is 11.25. So make it as single. this one. So again go to trim command, trim the unwanted lines, fit. So now go to axis of, this is the axis, return. So this is 360 degrees, finish, cancel. In this portion there are two sets of cutouts there. So for that one, go to cutout option, select XZ plane. So that radius is of 5 mm. So go to circle command, place a circle here, return. So here go to cutout symmetric extent through all, come to the middle here. So now it is showing one arrow mark, here it is another arrow mark. So when it is appeared both around both directions, so click on that round ball, finish, cancel. So like that one more set of cutout is there. So go to cutout option, select another plane, circle, return, symmetric through all, finish, cancel, control I, that is isometric. So this is screw job cup.
Save. Save. Next part.
So now I am going to construct screw spindle.
So camera tools spindle diagram. Spindle diagram 6 camera tools.
So this is screw spindle. Now I am going to construct this one. We can construct this by revolve protrusion or even by protrusion command. Now I am going for construct this one by protrusion command. So control I. So go to protrusion, select XY plane. So go to circle command. So the bottom diameter is, so is given square 38 into 7. So diameter should be 38. Place it in the origin, return. So the overall height is 240. In that we have to subtract 83 because it is 83. Remaining is the first cylinder. 240 minus 83. Correct, sir?
Machine ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ.
Fit. Control I. Again, one more protrusion. Select the top one. So that diameter is 65 mm. Select the circle. Diameter 65 mm. Place it in the center. Return. So the what is the height here? So total is 83 mm height. So in 83 you have to subtract 13 mm. So the height is 70 mm. Finish, cancel. Again protrusion command, select the top one. So there is a cylinder there. The cylinder is of diameter 22. Circle 22 diameter. Place it in the center. The height is 13 mm. So now there is a threaded portion here. For doing that one, go to hole option, select this upper circle plane. So select this one. So make it as threaded. So this is of M12 thread. Select M12. M12 to the, here it is to the hole extent and finite value 30 years, sir. So that finite extent is 30 mm. So here, so hole depth is 35. So next V bottom angle. So there are two options here. So select this one. OK. Place it in the center. Return. downwards, finish, cancel. See here, this portion is threaded. So now there is a hole here. There are two sets of hole of diameter 12 mm. So it is placed at 35 distance from the bottom. So go to cutout command, select XZ or YZ plane. Go to circle command. So diameter is 12 mm. Take a midpoint here, just move this one, place it here. Now go to smart dimension. The distance between this and center of this circle is 35 mm. Return. So again go to symmetric through all in both the directions, finish, cancel. Like that again go to cutout command, select another plane, circle, diameter is 12 mm, from the midpoint just place it over. So now go to smart dimension command, from here to the center of this one, this is 35 height. Return, symmetric through all in both the directions. So now I am going to construct the thread forms here. So the thread size is 538 into 7. So total there is a 3 mm gap of threading here. So go to hole option there, select the thread option. So it should be straight. Select the straight, select this bottom cylinder and select this circle. So now here the depth is to the cylinder extent, make it as finite value. So then it is showing 157 mm. This is the height of 157 mm. So there is a gap of 3 mm here. So for that one make this as 154. So here make this as 38 into 7, finish, cancel. See here, now it is showing the part as completely threaded, but while we are observing in 2D there is a gap of 3 mm here. So next, chamfering. Let's do the chamfer. 2 mm. So there is a setback of 2 mm. See here, this part is chamfered. So lastly, we have to go for again chamfering option. So there is chamfer, this part. This is the chamfering part. So make this distance as 10 mm. Go to chamfer. Setback is 10 mm. This upper circle and bottom circle of this cylinder. OK. Finish. Cancel. Control I. This is screw spindle of screw job. So again go to solid part. Now I am going to construct one screw. Control I. So for that one, go to revolve protrusion, select XZ or YZ plane, make a shape of screw. So now go on dimensioning this one. So the overall height is 30 mm. Correct, sir? So the overall height is 30 mm.
Diameter.
So head height is 6 mm. So the bottom diameter is, he has given M12. So we are in revolved protrusion. So make it as 6 mm. Nisha.
45 degree angle.
So top diameter is 24. Make this as 12.
Circle. Axis or revolve. Axis or revolve.
So now go to axis. So this is the axis. Return 360 degrees. Finish. Cancel. So now there is a slot. So for that one, go to cutout option. Select XZ or YZ plane. So construct one rectangle here. So the depth of that cutout is 3 mm. So go to smart dimension. This is 3 mm. So width of that one is
2 mm.
2 mm. So now go to move command. Select this one. Pick this
Midpoint.
top midpoint and place it here.
Midpoint.
So return symmetric through all in both the directions. Finish. Cancel.
Threading.
Again go to thread option. Straight thread. Okay. Select this one. Select the bottom circle. So there is a gap of 3 mm there.
Cylinder.
So to the finite value, the cylinder height is 24 mm, 3 mm gap is there, means it is 21.
M12.
So it is M12. Select M12, finish, cancel.
Save.
So, sorry,
Save.
transfer model.
Limit. 9 ನಿಮಿಷ.
Coming on this. So go to solid part. One more part is there. So go to protrusion command. Circle. This is tummy bore. Bottom diameter is 20 mm. So go to circle command. Diameter 20 mm. Return. So overall height is 275 minus 62. Finish, cancel. Again go to protrusion command. Select this. So there is a circle of diameter 12 mm. Go to circle, diameter 12 mm. Place it in the center. Return. So the height is, or length is 62. So
Round.
go to round option. So radius, since it is 20 diameter, radius is 10 mm. Preview, finish, cancel. Chamfer and
Chamfer.
Huh?
45 chamfer.
So chamfer 1.5 setback. Finish, cancel.
Save.
So this is tummy bore. Solid part. So now I am going to construct one washer. Select this one. So the diameter is 35. Circle diameter 35. Return. Thickness is 8 mm. Finish, cancel. So go to hole option. Select So this is countersink pole. 20. So the diameter, countersink diameter is 25. ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು. So the now countersink diameter is 14 point.
Diameter 14.5.
The diameter is 14.5. Countersink diameter is 25. Angle is 90 degrees through all. Okay. Place it in the center. Return. Downwards. Finish. Cancel. Save.
Last part. This finish all the parts.
So this is the parts of screw job assembly. Here go to assembly the parts. So here I saved all parts in D drive. Go to D drive. So then I saved it in CAMD drawings. Go to CAMD drawings. There screw job. So first go to screw job body. Scroll this here. So the next part is nut. Select the nut here. Scroll it here. So now select the axis of rotation. So axis of rotation lock with this axis. So now go to planar alignment.
ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್
Continue it also.
ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ
Axial rotation lock with this axial. So now planar with this planar. So the next part is screw straightener. So select axial.
ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್
Axial
ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ
axial rotation lock with this axial.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ಲೇನಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿ
So planar with this plane.
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದೇ ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್
So upon this, you should fix a cup here. Cup. So go to axial rotation, rotation lock with this axis. Planar with this planar. Control I. So next, washer, that is special washer. Axial rotation lock with this axial. planar with this planar. So now go to screw, axial, rotation lock with this axial. So now go to this command, connect also. Connect
conical face.
this conical face to so lastly tummy bar. So ಮುಂದೆ ಇದು axial rotation lock with this axial.
ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್.
ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಗ ಪ್ಲೇನರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಗೆ
ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆದು.
ಇದು So this is assembly of screw jobs. Next we have to cut
PMI.
PMI. So go to PMI.
Section.
Section.
Bottom plane.
Select the XY plane. Draw one rectangle from the center,
Covering 3/4.
covering
1/4
of the object. Return. So inside, select in this direction to the top. Cut all the parts.
Selected ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
So now cut only the selected parts.
ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಬಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಬರೋದು ಬಾಡಿ
screw job body,
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಟ್
spindle ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕಪ್ಪು parts ಅನ್ನು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ವಾಷರ್
ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಫಿನಿಶ್
ಸೇವ್.
save. So now go to file, create drawing. So this here it is normal draw. Say okay and click out.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
So next front view,
ಕಸ್ಟಮ್.
custom.
This is the view. ಅದೇ ವ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಹೇಳಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಟಾಪ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಫಿನಿಶ್
Finish.
ಪ್ಲೇಸ್
Place.
ಜೋರನ್ನು
ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಣಬೇಕಲ್ಲ,
ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಝೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇಷ್ಟ
ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್.
So go to right click.
ಆ ವ್ಯೂ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
So select this view. So
ರೈಟ್
right click.
ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ
In right click go to properties.
ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್
Properties only.
ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್
Go to sections.
ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್
Select section.
ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
So select this box, that is section 1. Say okay.
ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ.
Right click.
ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ.
Update the view. Okay. Fit.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
So move command.
ಹಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. for 23.
ఇంత మీకు assembled front view. Huh?
Half sectional front view.
So this is half sectional front view of the screw chuck.